Teachers on the Central Coast are getting vaccine doses starting today. KSBY's Megan Healy spoke with educators about the process and has more on the number of vaccines allocated for districts.
Governor Newsom says starting today, 10% of the state's vaccines will be set aside for teachers and educators. From there, 10% of San Luis Obispo County's vaccines will then be set aside for education as a whole. Now, distribution for each district will be different, and starting this week, special education teachers will be prioritized.
We're in line, we're rolling up our sleeves and ready to have the, vaccines.
Atascadero special education teacher Christine Miller is giving her vaccination experience an A+ and a thumbs up.
I was the first person in line. When this was offered by the district and the county, I jumped on it because I'd rather be protected than not protected.
Monday marked the day educators and childcare workers across California could get vaccinated for COVID-19. According to the San Luis Obispo County Office of Education, 660 appointments are set this week for employees in childcare, school districts, charters, private and parochial schools. Lucia Mar Joint Unified School District got the largest allocation with about 100 appointments.
It's a different system than everybody else uses with the counties. We're ironing out some details or logistics to make it work for everybody, so it's a little smoother to schedule those appointments.
Vaccine priority is based on two things: employee exposure and health conditions. It means teachers working in special education where masking and social distancing might not be possible would be first. As an Atascadero high school teacher, Christine Williams is last on the list. She says a limited supply is slowing down the vaccination process.
We're simply not getting enough vaccine in our county, which is frustrating.
If the county moves into the red tier Tuesday, she'll transition to a hybrid learning model March 8th. Even without the vaccine at the time of reopening, she is hopeful other safety measures will keep COVID out of the classroom.
We are going to put the faith that the system we've created, the new safety protocols we've put in, and hope that everybody does what they're supposed to do.
For higher education like Cal Poly, a university spokesman tells me that they are working with county public health to decide how and when their faculty and staff will get vaccinated. In Arroyo Grande, I'm Megan Healy, KSBY News.
Each district had to prioritize employees before the county distributed available appointments. Now, eligible child care and education workers in San Luis Obispo County will be contacted directly by their employers to schedule an appointment.